Hello YouTube users and Facebook users. Well, it's been a bit of a madness day today, I must admit. Obviously, was meant to get the last remaining TfL rail PEPs again, the Class 315 EMUs. Unfortunately, it wasn't the case because of planned ongoing engineering works. Typically that's taking place and that, like, so yeah, it's been one hell of a ride again today. Typically again, it's the same story with trying to track the Class 313 EMUs as well, the Southern PEPs. Said I was going to be determined to, like, you know, film them and that, like, you know, either one of the PEPs and not, like, you know, the PEP trains, the PEP classes and that, like. But anyway, since night is fallen, I wanted to get some decent shots today of the Southern PEPs, but obviously it's a bit difficult, like, because it's pitch black almost. Anyway, made it to Lewes Train Station, which is just behind me, and I doubt, you know, it depends how many Class 313 EMUs, the beloved Southern PEPs, we basically can get, really. But it's a bit difficult because you know, time is pushing it. Checking on me watch and not, like, so anyway guys, I ain't promising anything, like, so see what we can get. It's going to be a bit difficult trying to get some you know, Southern PEPs, like, in the daylight and not, like, obviously it's impossible because it's completely pitch black and that. But anyway, see what we can get. I've got my film camera just down below me there, like, so. Well, can't see it because it's pitch black, like, you know. But yeah, try and get some film shots of the Southern PEPs, and yeah, just take it from there. Anyway guys, take it easy, see ya.
Yes, ma'am. Please go. Yeah. Yes.
Berwick, Folgate, Hamden Park, Eastbourne, Bexhill, St Leonard's Warrior Square and Hastings. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding. South East, New Haven Town, New Haven Harbour, Bishopstone and Seaford. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Engineering work between 6:39 p.m. and Sunday 27th July.
Sometimes, when you're on the train, when you're at a train station, sometimes trains go through really fast and they don't stop. And the wind that they
platform 3 for the 18:15 Southern service to Orr, calling at Blind, Polegate, Eastbourne, Hampden Park, Pevensey and Weston, Coodon Beach, Collington, Bexhill, St Leonard's Warrior Square, Hastings and Orr. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Seaford, calling at Newhaven Town, Newhaven Harbour, Bishopstone and Seaford. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
Well, that concludes our visit here at Lewes Train Station. It's EMU that's just pulled in then, class 377 EMU, which I'm not really interested in actually. Yeah, pretty disappointing really, disappointingly. Obviously with everything not being according to plan so far, you know, capturing the Southern PEPs, the class 313 EMUs. We only got a couple actually here at Lewes Train Station. Not really a frequent service as such really, as I was expecting. It's more like a Sunday service. It's a lot of rail replacement bus services knocking about on various, like, you know, routes and networks and so forth. But yeah, it's wonderful train station, Lewes. Very, very good architectural train station. As I say, I was more or less, you know, to my original plan was to stick with the TfL rail PEPs, class 315 EMUs. Obviously, sadly, wasn't the case. So I thought, well, as an alternative, try and go for more Southern PEP action with the Class 3 or 3 EMUs. Again, that hasn't been at all according to plan, and yeah, very disappointing indeed. And